4.7c, percents as proportions and applications. Percent increase or decrease. To find percent increase or decrease proportions, we do the change over the original, which equals the percent over 100. Remember, the change is the difference between the original and the new. Or the new minus the original, whichever one is larger, goes first. Let's look at example 1. In example 1, it says the price of a sofa was $299. This is our original. It says during a weekend sale, the price was dropped to $179. This is our new price. What is the percent decrease? Remember, it was the change over the original. The change would be 299 minus 179 over the original 299 equals the percent, which I'm going to use a P for, over 100. Now we do the subtraction and we get 299 minus 179, which gives us 120. Now we need to find the least common denominator. Remember, when doing proportions, it's sometimes easiest to just use both denominators. This means we multiply both sides by 299 times 100 and 299 times 100 on the other side. That way we can just reduce out both denominators. We now have 120 times 100, which gives us 12,000, which equals 299p. Now we must solve this equation by dividing both sides by 299. This gives us p equals 40.133, which continues on in the calculator. Let's round this to the hundredths, which means we have 40.13% discount or decrease. Let's look at example 2. Here's example 2. The population of a small town was, so this is our original amount, 12,345 in 1990. By 2000, the population was, this being our new amount, 31,416. What was the percent increase? Remember, we must do the difference between these two numbers, or the change. Remember, you must use the larger number first. So 31,416 minus 12,345 all over the original amount. Remember, you must use the original amount, not the larger number. This means we put it over 12,345. And we set this equal to the p, or percent, over 100. Now, we must get a least common denominator. Remember, using the combination of the two denominators is sometimes easier than finding a least common denominator. So we will do that here. We then cross out the denominators. They cancel, and then we get 100 times this difference. We must do this difference first. 31,416 minus 12,345 is 19,071. Now, when we multiply this by 100, we get 19,07100, which is 1,907,100. And this is going to equal 12,345p. We now solve this equation by dividing both sides by 12,345. which gives us P equals 154.48% if we are rounding to the hundredths. Remember, this is our percent increase. Remember, when doing percent increase, you must do the change over the original number and set that equal to the percent over 100.